it's not as deadly as the Delta variant. So we're seeing it to be slightly milder. That's what the evidence shows. We cannot be sure.
Myntri Rangbah Jylla konrar ki sangma ka artrik Jingpang la penting kena bagatanan ka kod khya jong Jylla kalong la Pynkhreh na banta kanu no jinglong ka bala ban mi no Khñiang Jingpang COVID-19 ha ka Jylla habakres klai pathai khubor Myntri Rangbah ulong ba sarkar ka khlem khen sting bat kadang penting kena ru ban shimik sin jam ki badan kam banyada ladami kanu no jingja baklam dabu kinu kendon ki perkheng lani ki badai banle Henry ki lakrpat yi ki pajba ban shim ki la jingeda dak bakiar ki jaka bailum pajba bad dak badeng ki mas.
We have not let down our cards. We are ensuring that any cases that come up, we're taking necessary action, and we have urged people also, without having any kind of specific rules or making anything mandatory, that wherever possible, precautions like avoiding congested areas and wearing masks and taking precautions. These things people should do at their own level.
Hakbai day ketika ulong baladadan ke jingduna unshim ki sin jam ki badan kam ban pentikna begitu ki bakwa I booster shot kila banle kata.
Regarding the vaccinations right now, yes, they could be keeping in mind the fact that if you have to vaccinate everybody in booster shots, then we will not have obviously enough for everybody. But these concerns are being taken up by the government of India. But as of now, we have not got any indication regarding any free vaccines as of now. So it will be on payment basis. But we will take necessary steps, and we are taking necessary steps to ensure that whatever shortage is there, and if anybody is wanting to take the booster vaccine, because it's not made mandatory as such,